video is going to be very exciting. We will be making 3 yummy snacks. One for herbivores, one for carnivores, and one for omnivores.
Wow!
So stay tuned and let's get snack making.
So let's have a look at the ingredients for each snack. For the carnivore snack, we will make yummy sticky chicken wings. You will need some chicken wings, 1 cup of apricot jam, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, a pinch of chili flakes, a half a cup of water, and salt to taste. For the omnivore snack, we will be making juicy chicken and vegetable skewers. You will need 2 chicken breasts cubed, 1 green pepper cubed, 1 onion cubed, some salt and pepper to season, and some Tikka chicken marinade. And for the herbivore snack, we will make delicious potato crisps. You will need 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 1 large potato peeled and sliced paper thin, some salt to taste, and a zip seal bag. Let's get started. First, we will make the sticky chicken wings. Step 1. Combine all the ingredients except the chicken wings in a saucepan and bring to a simmer. Cook until the sugar has dissolved. Step 2. Pour the sticky sauce over the chicken wings and mix together. Carnivores are animals that eat only meat, such as lions, leopards, wolves, and polar bears. Step 3. Now bake your sticky chicken wings in the oven for about 30 to 40 minutes, or until cooked through and sticky. Now for the chicken and vegetable skewers. Step 1. Marinate the chicken with the Tikka marinade and season with salt and pepper. Step 2. Place the chicken, green pepper, and the onion onto the skewers. Herbivores are animals that eat both plants and meat, such as pigs, dogs, bears, and squirrels. Step 3. Now bake your chicken and vegetable skewers for 30 to 40 minutes in the oven until browned and cooked through. And finally, for the potato crisps. This is a super easy potato crisps recipe. Step 1. Place the oil in a zip seal bag with the potato slices and shake well to coat. Step 2. Coat a plate lightly with oil and lay the potato slices in a single layer on the dish. Herbivores are animals that eat only plants, such as cows, horses, pandas, and elephants. Step 3. Cook your potato slices in the microwave for 3 to 5 minutes until browned. If they are not browned, they will not be crispy. Step 4. Now season your delicious potato crisps with some salt.
Wow, that was fun!
And now they are all ready.
The chicken wings are my favorite. Yummy!
Which one is your favorite?
Wow, that was awesome!
And now you know what types of foods different animals eat. These snacks are so yummy too.
Yummy!
Well, thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you all next time.